Patient had a fall 4 months ago and she fractured her maxillary central incisor, which was then extracted. Left maxillary central incisor. Okay. Since then, the patient is wearing a partial denture and is now seeking a fixed treatment for the same. Implant placement was done for 2-1. Following the placement, a screw-retained temporary crown was given in 3 weeks. What is the loading protocol undertaken in given clinical scenario? Okay. So we have a history 4 months ago, tooth number 2-1. After fracture, it was extracted, then RPD for 4 months, then implant, and then crown after 3 weeks. What is the loading protocol? Immediate, early, conventional, and delayed. Now there are two things that we can correlate on this scenario. First is the loading protocol and then is placement protocol. So both are different. Okay. Placement protocol is when is the implant actually being placed. So we'll start with the placement protocol first. So type 1 is immediate placement. That is, you remove the root piece at the time or you remove the tooth at the time of surgery, and at the same appointment, in the same extraction socket, you are going to place the implant. Then you have type 2 placement, that is early. Early placement typically 4 to 8 weeks after extraction. That means you extract the tooth, wait for soft tissue healing. Once the soft tissue healing is complete, there is an open flap procedure, and at this time the bone is still remodeling, it is still soft. Type 3 is again early, but in 12 to 16 weeks. So primary bone healing is done, soft tissue is also completely healed, and then you are going to place implant. And type 4 is the one where you are placing implants in patients who report late to the clinic after the extraction, so more than 6 months. This is late or delayed placement. 6 months or greater. So these are placement protocols. Okay, when was the implant placed? So in given case, the implant was placed nearly 4 months ago. So 4 into 4 is 16 weeks. So this is type 3 placement. But loading protocol is different than placement protocol. Here in the question we have to answer loading protocol. Loading means at what time was the abutment connected to the implant? At what time was the crown connected to the implant? Now this crown can be temporary or final. The temporary crown may or may not be in occlusion for loading. It may only be for some aesthetic reason or for other reason, for remodeling of bone or for to start for the patient to have better diet, but you will not load it completely. You will not put it in occlusion completely. Like how you would put a final crown. It is not necessary that this will be in the same occlusal scheme. So there are three basic loading protocols: immediate, early, and delayed. Now delayed and early, in between them there is also a conventional loading protocol which is generally followed by everyone. So what is immediate loading? Immediate is immediately at the time of implant placement is immediate loading. So you will place the implant and crown on the same appointment or within a few days. Okay. Early loading is done 2 to 3 weeks after implant placement. So nearly 2 to 3 weeks you will place the crown. Conventional loading is in 3 to 6 months, and delayed or late loading is after 6 months, that is nearly 6 months to a year. Now in the given case, the crown was given after 3 weeks. right? 3 weeks is early loading protocol. So the correct answer is 2, early loading.